Hello ladies and gentlemen, RailROL82 here, your railroad archaeologist, here with you today on the active portion of the CSX Homestead subdivision. As you can see, they're doing some crossing work. These are the old grade crossings which were put in September 20th, 2020. Here you can see Southwest 56th Street, Miller Drive, S-Line Extension Homestead 45.62, that's 1045. From Richmond, Virginia, it's implied. And today I have a heavy heart because one of my favorite signals got replaced, not replaced, but actually removed, because here you have your pavement marking, RXR. And right over here, there used to be a no left turn signal, crossing signal. And you can see it was somewhere over here. Yeah, who knows where it was, but yeah, somewhere around here it was. And then take you to the crossing itself. So you got your cantilever over there with your E-dinger up top. I don't even call him a bell because a bell has a gong that just makes noise, so I don't even call it a bell. Then these cars are going east. Obviously this way would be left. So here you have your first pedestrian crossing gate. W.C. Hayes signal base, Siemens gate mechanism. Got your Santeria over here. Track due southwest. W.C. Hayes signal base. Siemens gate mechanism. Emergency contact info. And these are also W.C. Hayes lights, yeah. W.C. Hayes lights with my favorite visors, like baseball caps. Then let me see if I can go over to the median. After these cars, I should have a break in traffic. Okay, come on, guy, let's get a move on it. Put a little bit of pep in your step, baby, come on. All right. W.C. Hayes, Siemens, W.C. Hayes. And this one would guard against the cars that are making a left turn from over there, from where they removed my favorite signal. There you have another pedestrian crossing gate and the cantilever I mentioned to you. Yeah, W.C. Hayes signal base, Siemens gate mechanism, and your gas pipeline over here. Guys and gals, thumbs up, comments, they help me in the YouTube algorithm, so do subscriptions. Let me know what you thought about this travesty, moving my favorite signal, that there's a big no-no. All right guys, thank you so much, take care, bye-bye.